Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to create a poll on Facebook. So firstly, open Facebook. So open any web browser and open facebook.com. Now here guys, you have to open Facebook group page. Now once you open your Facebook group page, so scroll down and here is the option poll. Open it. So guys, create a public post for your poll. Like I am creating this random poll post. So add a poll, give the option 1, 2, 3, and also you can add more option. Then click on post. And make sure guys you will be not able to create a poll in your personal Facebook account or your any business Facebook page. In one option you can create a poll in Facebook group page. So once you open Facebook group page, you can create a poll easily. So thanks for watching, and guys, please comment this video useful for you or not.